Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I am going to show you my secret to getting really cute tops at great prices, and even some that are not sold in stores and that nobody has. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so the first top that I'm going to show you is the top that I'm wearing here. It is this Friends top. It is super duper cute, super comfortable, and I absolutely love it. It actually came in a t-shirt form, so it had sleeves, and it came without this beautiful slit, but I just cut off the sleeves and I made a slit here, and voila, it's easily one of my favorite t-shirts. I bought this, it was gently loved, so it wasn't brand new with tags, but there's lots of stuff that I do buy brand new with tags. So this t-shirt I bought with another t-shirt. I bought it in a bundle, which I don't have because it's in the hamper, but I'll insert photos, and I bought two t-shirts for $13, and that's what I love about Posh. If you need to find a deal, you definitely can. If you want to find something that you can't find anywhere else, you can probably find it on Posh. So let's go to the next t-shirt. So the next one is this Free People, and I did buy this new with tags, and I did film a video with this on. And what I love, it's one of those, I forget what they're called, like the thermal shirts, and they have the thumb holes, and so it's really super flowy. It's such a beautiful color. I'll insert a photo so you can see that. And if the photo that I have with it on is not so good, I'll insert the photo, the stock photo from where I purchased it on Posh. And this one, I believe, so it was Free People. I bought it new with tags, and I believe I bought it for $30. Let me check. I bought it for $31. So new with tags, Free People, a bargain. The next one I bought in a bundle, and it's from an online boutique, which is on Posh as well. There's some girls that either sell out of their own closets, or they buy from warehouses and they sell. It's called boutique. So I bought from a girl who sells boutique items, and these were both new with tags. I know this shirt does not look like anything just like this, but it's got these cuffs sleeved. It's got this cute V, and with the front tuck, it's so cute. I'll insert pictures so you can see that. I really love it. The color did fade a little bit after washing it, but still super cute. And so I bought it in a bundle with this top here, and this one is just like super big. It was a one size fits all, but oh, you'll see in the pictures, it's super cute. It's super comfortable. It's one of my favorite, like, just flowy shirts to wear. I really love flowy right now. I'm not sure, like, is that in style right now, or is that I just gained weight, so I like to wear flowy stuff? I don't know, you tell me. But anyways, these two I purchased, two for $65, and they were both brand new with tags. And it may sound like a lot, but when you really like something and you can't find it anywhere else, like, I don't know about you, but I've never seen shirts like this inside the store, and I really liked them, and so yeah, so two for $65. The next top I really love. Is absolutely cute. I bought it from another boutique on Posh, and I got this brand new with tags, and it looks like this. Super duper cute. It's off the shoulder, and it's got this front tie, and I'll insert photos. I actually, the photo I'm inserting is with some jean shorts that I also got on the site, but I didn't buy it together. But this is really cute. Let me tell you what I paid for this. I got that new with tags as well. So that one I paid $28 for. And it's very rare to find something like this. So I just thought it was really pretty and very different, and $28 is not bad. So let's move on to the next. So the last shirt that I got was this by Brandy Melville, and it was brand new with tags. And this is a really popular design actually. So it's got the just like the colors. I don't know if you've seen lots of t-shirts and things with like rainbow and colors, and it's really cute, and it just says, I don't know what that says, but France 1990. It's long sleeve, and it's kind of super light. So it's also got this down the left sleeve here. It's adorable on. I think I wore it in one of my videos, of course. And that one I think I got for, dun, 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 I bought it for $30. So it's brand new with tags, Brandy Melville. I usually don't go shop for Brandy Melville a lot, but I found it on Posh, and I just thought it was really cute. And for 30 bucks, new with tags, such a great deal. All right, so let's finish this up. My battery died. I don't know where I left off, but hopefully I finished with all the tops. I did want to show you this one last thing, which is this Kate Spade wallet that I purchased on Posh. I got it for $40 freaking dollars. It's so cute, so light, and it was brand new. And I love it because it's got a place for all your credit cards and your ID, which you don't need to see my address, but and for your money and all that, and this nice coin thing. So it's really super cute. I absolutely love it. Yeah, so Poshmark is a place where you can buy all sorts of things from high end to low end. Free People, Brandy Melville, Kate Spade, Louis Vuitton, Prada. You can buy almost anything under the sun, and sometimes you're going to get a really good deal. Sometimes you're going to find things that you're not going to find anything else, but you're going to pay a little bit more. So I am on Posh, and what I do is I sell my gently loved things, and then I buy other things. So, and then sometimes I actually sell my things and then transfer the money to my bank account, and I use it to buy makeup. So basically that's how I support my channel. But I do use Posh a lot. I sell and I buy. It's just a constant thing. So I'm gonna put the link down to Posh. If you don't have a Poshmark account, you can get $5 free if you use my code SHOPPINJENNY, which I will put down below. I'll put the link to Posh, and then if you use SHOPPINJENNY, you'll get $5 to spend. And normally when you first start, anybody who downloads the app and uses your code, you get a certain amount of money, even if they don't buy anything. But I've exhausted all that, so I have all my people. So even if you download it and use SHOPPINJENNY, I don't get anything unless you buy something, and you get 5 and I get 5. So, but anyways, if you want to try it out, if you want to check out my closet, if you want to see what's online and get some really cute and fun stuff like I did, then check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'm always open to hearing what you guys have to say. If you have any questions about what I just said, because I spoke so fast, leave those down in the comment section. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.